3. Hello everyone, and a huge welcome to the 4th AccessAlts Zoom meet titled A Middle East Family Office Viewpoint. Today we have with us Ahmed from the Alabar Enterprises, representing food, e-commerce and real estate. We have with us Neeraj Agrawal from the Crescent Enterprises, representing oil and gas. And we have with us Stergios Voskopoulos from the trading giant Kanoo Group in Bahrain. They will talk to us not only about re-strategizing their businesses amid COVID-19 and protecting their people, but also about investing strategically in this climate. Welcome, gentlemen.
However, I'll just tell you a few things for you and the participants about YBA Kanoo. The group has been present in the region for 130 years. So for sure, the Kanoos have weathered many more crises in the past. So that's one more, right? So even though this, we're talking about a more diverse group, we're talking about a business conglomerate that is present in different verticals, in different countries. So what you have now, for all the other groups as well, Alabar and for Crescent, is that there is risk management in place, right? So there is a different governance in place. So there are strong protective measures that you take upfront in order to manage situations like this. And that's coming from a liquidity management perspective, because through any crisis, cash is the most important thing. Then to develop mechanisms to defend your revenues, which is the top line. And third, how you can be agile enough to adopt to the new.
True.
So I'll talk about our more liquid multi-asset portfolio to start, because that's that's what actually we could take action at any time. So I was expecting myself, YBA Kanoo is a large operational business conglomerate, but also I'm running the investment, the Kanoo Capital, right? So we have our private equity portfolio and the multi-asset portfolio. On the multi-asset portfolio, which is global, I was expecting a correction, even from last year. After these 10 years, we could follow the trends. We were analyzing the numbers. These valuations were not making sense globally. All right, so crazy. I would see venture capital, especially in the US and China, right? Let's be honest. Both countries giving you some ideas of 2-3 year concept only, right? Not even proven and not even profit making. And that was valued at 1 billion. And then, family groups like the Kanoo Alabars or Crescent Petroleum, the founders would say, how come, right? It took us decades to build businesses here, right? That has a value. What's going on? So that was something that was not normal. Valuations in the US equities was not normal. So we started actually rebalancing our portfolio from last November, even from last summer when it was good. We were just expecting a correction and we were happy with where we are in terms of value. So we exited and we started investing in some more fixed income and some other strategies also on non-beta, non-correlated strategies, which is now, it's paying off. We wanted to make sure, first of all, it's health, it's our people. So we are employing around 5,000 people, right, under our businesses across.
All in Bahrain, is that right, or are they all over?
Bahrain, Saudi, we have UAE, of course, Oman, and we have business in India, Egypt. And what you want to make sure first is that they're all well. And so health was the most important thing, cash management, revenue defense, and how we can adopt to the new reality. So from our private equity portfolio, that's where we've been focusing, going company by company, trying to help the management, sharing lots of information, and develop our base case. What I'm saying, that's a new reality now. So we need to take it into account for revising all our business plans and even financial models. So personally, and with my team, right, we've been working hard on this, like reading, talking to people like here today, getting and have a conviction, have a view. So our base case is that for 2 years, there's not going to be a normal economy. Even after, it's not going to be the same normal. Maybe it's going to be a new normal, But through
Sure.
this period, there is uncertainty, and you need to be ready, to be prepared, and agile enough to navigate. Are there any sectors that we are looking at investing?
Specifically, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, now, it's a big, it's the best time for innovation, real innovation and technology and digital transformation on basic things. When I'm saying about basic things, we're talking about energy, we're talking about food, about water, about healthcare, education, and cybersecurity comes to play into all of this because we need it in the digital world. So these are some of the sectors that we're really focusing on, and it's two ways to do it. It's through VC growth PE, and actually even 1 month ago, right, we made an investment. And also how to help our existing operations.
Okay, gotcha.
So we are more a strategic investor into VC or new kind of business models because we want to help them not only financially, but to see also strategically how we can bring them to the region or help them expand.